Right, hey up, it must be recording. Right, little white dot on my thumb. Now I've had warts, well I believe are warts, removed with nitrogen, liquid nitrogen. You get a whooping great blister, which I've shown on Facebook and everything. But every single time the little buggers have been removed, they've come back on another finger. They're alive. Right, it's the Hermes virus. It must be, they get delivered everywhere. But the thing is that, like I say, it'll get blistered on one finger and vanish and come up on another. It's even vanished off one finger and come up on the other hand. So it's got its own transport network. But this little white bugger cried wee 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 all the way. No, it didn't. That's a different story, isn't it? That one I cannot get rid of. So, stuck with it. I'm doing away with my thumbprint. So it looks like I'm avoiding capture. Not that I've done all to be captured for, other than talking silly on videos.
Yeah.
But
and shit.
Yeah, bully you. But got rid of it. It's not that they'd be able to find me. I mean, I've got a pigging lighthouse in the middle of my thumb, of course. You know, but well, it is. It may as well be. Don't need a bloody thumbprint with that frigging thing in the middle, do I? So there you have it. You see, I've just been sanding it down for how long?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. I was going to say 20 minutes. Oh, I did do. So 20 minutes, sanded it down, the thumbprint's vanishing. I don't know if you can see it on there. I can't because I'm holding camera and I can't see a bloody thing from this angle. But
Turn room and have a look.
I can't.
Why?
Because I'm on this side of it, and if I look around the other side, you'll get a picture of that bloody wall that needs painting.
So might be able to see if you take your picture.
So it's not so actually. It is if I push it and do that. No. But there's no lump anymore, but there's still a white dot. And it's still in there. I can feel it. You can't. I can. But if I do happen to get rid of that one, doctor said just keep on. It'll give up sooner or later. It's not giving up. So he'll just piss off on the other hand or something. You know.
Might have been the end of your nose.
They've got a transport network.
Yeah, right, the end of your nose.
Better than us. They sold ours to foreigners. But yeah, there you go. Thumb. Don't did any satanic hand signals then, did I? No,
yeah.
Just thumb up.
That's it.
It's not a 666 or anything.
It is.
No, it wasn't.
It is.
So there you go. Anyway, I've made a video about fuck all. So there you have it. Have a nice day. Thank you. Come again. So how do you turn this frigging